is this place. Whew. I don't think I want to take my boots in there, my Texas boots, take them over there. Hey guys, I got bad news. I'm right down here at the shop, getting some work done around here. That's what you get for hauling. Getting a heavy load, getting your brackets busted. Right over here, we jacked up the wheel. I'm going to show you what we're going to do is the bracket for the shocks that it holds, that's broken right under it. And I discovered this. I'll show you. Right there, that's the bracket. That's right there over there. Holds the shocks. And that's moving, so once it's out, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Yep. So, what I want to say is everything went well. Basically, what I did was move down to Missouri and turned around. And you remember that, over the hill, down the hill. You don't need to see your therapy. So I'm sitting right down here at the shop right now, and so we're having these work done. All right, he's working on it already. And I want to see if I'm able to finish this up and hit the road. So I'll catch you guys later to see what they're going to say or what they're going to do. He's going to work on it already. Okay, we're on stage 2. Stage 1, both tires are removed. All the nuts are removed. They're going to keep, I told him to hold on to the drum. He doesn't have to get it out. But right down here, the bracket is cracked in half. You guys can't see that. So stage 3, all the U-joints are going to be cut off. These are got to be removed. Now he says he wants to cut them off, but I don't know why he wants to cut them off. My opinion is they should just remove the screws and re-put it back on again. I don't know why they want to cut it off. I suppose they want to make a sale, and I don't like that. That's just like off the hook for me, man. Anyway, they're going to have to remove all this. They're going to take that screw out of there, drop this down, remove this bracket, put a new one, and then hook up everything, and she's ready to go. I'm ready to go, so I'll be right back. So yeah, that's the broken one. Take a look at it. All right, man, go ahead. Okay, we already passed the stage 3. Got the shocks out. That's stage 2, 1 and 2, and stage 3 got the spring out, and that's the spring right there. My shocks are laying down here. And it's not mine anyway, mine. You know, that's a habit, mine. The airbags looks good. All the other bracket looks good. The bushings look good. And he's gonna go ahead and get this shocks bracket, and we're going to put on the back on the spring and everything. So we're going to go back to 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 stage. We're going to wrap everything up and put all the tires back here, and we're all set to go. So pretty much this is what it is, guys. You know, most of you guys out there, you drive a truck, you guys hit a lot of potholes. Just make sure that you do go ahead and inspect your brackets down here with the shocks, because if you don't, you guys go through a DOT inspection. That's what those guys do, look for. And that sometimes you get to see on the side of the road in the weight station, you do see guys sitting there, and a mechanic is on the bottom removing a spring. Tires are out, springs are out, and that's one of the reasons. What happens is that they get out of service for that. So, all right, I like it. I really do like it. It's done, it's tight. Got the screws, all that tight. It's a brand new bracket, brand new U-joints. Not U-joints, I'm sorry. The rings are brand new. Uh-oh.